Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from Binance to ByBit step by step and quickly and safely. So whether you are arbitrating, whether you are arbitraging, trading, or just moving funds, this guide will help you do it without any confusion. So let's get started. First of all, open Bybit app or go to Bybit website and log into your credentials. Log into with your credentials and once you are in, enter your security code. Now tap on assets button from your profile section in website. Then at the bottom of the right corner, click deposit. Select the crypto you want to receive. Let's say we are transferring USDT. Now choose the network. This is very important. Make sure you select the same network that you will use on Binance. For example, if you plan to send via TRC, choose USDT TRC 20. Now copy the wallet address shown here. You will paste this into Binance. Now go to Binance account, tap on wallet or assets tab, then click overview. Now click withdraw. Uh, in recipient's address, field, paste the address just copied from Bybit. Now select the same network you choose earlier, like TRC. First of all, select USDT from here. Then select network like TRC or TRX. Then enter the amount you want to send. Double check everything, the address, the network, and the amount. Once it's all correct, hit withdraw. Now Binance will ask for security verification. You will need to enter a code sent to your email, a code from your Google Authenticator or phone. Enter all the codes and confirm the transaction. Binance will now show a withdrawal processing screen. That means your funds are on their way to ByBit. After confirming the transfer, usually takes a few minutes depending on the network. For TRC20, it usually takes 2 to 5 minutes. For ERC20, it might take a bit longer due to network congestion. To check the status, go to transaction history in Binance. Once the status shows completed, switch back to your Bybit account. You can also check Bybit deposit history from here to confirm the funds arrived. Here are some quick tips if anything goes wrong. Funds not received with at least 10 minutes, then check both Binance and Bybit. Bybit's transaction history. Wrong network. Contact Bybit support immediately. Recovery may be possible but can take time. Sent to wrong address. Sadly, crypto transactions are irreversible. Always triple check before confirming. And that's it. You have successfully transferred your crypto from Binance to Bybit. You can withdraw same process. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more simple crypto guides. Got questions or want to see another tutorial? Drop a comment below. I respond to everyone. Thanks for watching. Happy trading.